Hi guys, today we're going to be making a paper balloon, like this one here. Things you're going to be needing for this is a ruler, a pen, and scissors, and a piece of paper. First step is you are going to take the first edge of your paper and fold it. Right down here, like this. That's your first fold. The second fold is this. You're going to take this, you're going to fold it in like this. Okay, now, when you've done folding it, you're going to get your ruler. You're going to set it right here on the fold you just did. And your pen too. And you're going to draw a line. Okay. Okay. My line. Now, second step is you're going to get your scissors and you're going to cut this paper. Cut the line that you drew out. Okay. Now, you'll be left with a triangle. You're going to be making this triangle into a diamond. So, to do that, you're gonna open this up so the line is straight in front of you. Then you're gonna turn it around so you see a big L in front of you. And then you're gonna take this tip, bottom of the L, put it at the top of the other tip so it lines up, then make the fold. Okay. Second thing is you're going to open it up again. You're going to turn it so you have a cross in the middle. Then you're going to fold it straight. So the half of the cross will match up with the other half at the top. Okay. So for this step, you have to have the fold right at the bottom. You're going to take this, you're going to push it in like that, and then fold it. Okay. So when it's like this, you're going to push it in so it goes inside here like this. Okay. You do the same thing on the other side. Push it in and fold. Now that you've done this, you're gonna see you have two flaps here. 1, 2, 1, 2. You're gonna lay it down so you have a triangle in front of you. You're gonna take this flap. You're gonna fold it to the top of this tip. You're gonna fold this flap to the top of this tip. Do the same thing on the other side. Now you're going to flip it over, and this is when you make the diamond. So you're going to take the flap, just like on the other side, and fold it to the tip. And take the other side and fold it into the tip. Now you have a diamond with 2 flaps on this side, 2 flaps on this side. You're going to take one of these flaps out of the 2 on this side. You're going to fold it into the middle. Like this. And then here you do the same thing. Fold it into the middle, but this time to the exact tip. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just enough so that these pockets will open up and these will go in. Then you're going to flip it over. Do the same on the other side. You're going to fold it to the tip. This, fold to the tip. Now, you're going to get this side, fold it to the other tip, like on the other side. The other tip. Now, you've got a balloon. So, to blow this balloon up, you have to hold it here with your nickel. Hold this. You get this. 2 flaps on the one flap from the other side and 1 flap from this side. You're gonna pull them together, that you don't see the things you just did. Oh, wait, sorry, forgot to do the last step. You're gonna open the pockets up first. And you're gonna take these flaps, open the pocket up, take this flap, push it in. Now, I'm gonna do it here too. Open the pocket up, in the flap. And you're doing the other side too. You turn it around, open the pocket, take the flap, and push it in. The flap has to be on the side where the pocket is. Now, you're going to take the other flap, open the pocket, and push it in, just like the other side. Now we're ready to do that step I just did. You're going to take this and do this. Now you'll see there's a hole here that you can blow in. And you've got a balloon. And this balloon can also be turned into a water balloon. So we're going to deflate it. Deflate it so it looks like this again. You can take your scissors, you cut the top off. You blow it up again, or else it won't fill up with water unless you blow it up. You blow it up. Okay, now there's a hole here. You can go to the tap, fill it up with water, and you've got a water balloon. But the thing is, if you keep it in water too long, it will rather rip or break. So it's not going to stay in shape like the other balloons because it's paper and it will rip. Like if you hold it like this, it will probably rip down the bottom. So for water balloon fights, you'd rather use the ones from the shops, not these ones. These ones are just for playing around with. For fun, you could fill them up with water and chuck it on the road or someone. But you can't keep it with water inside it too long or it will rip. Okay. Thanks for watching.